Welcome back to Online Biz Breakthrough. Today we're skipping the usual tactics and diving into the real foundation of success, your mindset. Everyone wants financial freedom, but few realize it starts in your mind. Your internal operating system shapes every decision and result. I used to chase every new strategy, feeling stuck and frustrated, until I realized the real shift was internal. By studying successful people, I discovered a set of core habits, not complex strategies, but simple, powerful daily practices. Today, I'll share the 5 millionaire habits that transform my business and life. Apply even one, and you'll start thinking and acting like a true entrepreneur. Let's dive in. Habit 1. Think long-term, act daily. Most people want instant results, but millionaires play the long game. They set a vision for years ahead and let it guide their daily actions. I used to jump from idea to idea, abandoning projects when results didn't come fast. My breakthrough came when I created a 10-year vision for my life and business. Suddenly, daily actions had purpose. Each small task became a building block for my future. Consistency, not intensity, is what compounds over time. 1% better every day leads to massive growth. The secret? Fall in love with the process, not just the outcome. So, what's one small action you can commit to daily that aligns with your long-term vision? Maybe it's reading 10 pages, learning a new skill, or posting content. Commit to it. Those daily actions, guided by vision, separate dreamers from doers. This is how every great success story is built. Habit 2. Fiercely protect your energy. Time is important, but energy is your true currency. Without it, nothing meaningful gets done. I used to leak energy everywhere, scrolling social media, saying yes to everything, and ending days drained. The shift? Treat yourself like an athlete. Say no to what drains you and yes to what fuels you. Replace mindless scrolling with 10 minutes of silence or journaling. Schedule think time. Swap Netflix for inspiring books. These small swaps cleared my mind and boosted creativity. Audit your life. Does this give me energy or take it away? This applies to content, people, food, and thoughts. Your success is tied to the quality of your thinking, and that starts with your energy. Guard it fiercely. Habit 3. Relentlessly invest in learning. Millionaires see education as leverage, not an expense. They're lifelong students, always upgrading their toolkit. I used to think learning ended with school. That mindset kept me stuck, repeating old mistakes. The world is full of mentors, books, podcasts, videos. For a few dollars, or even free, you can access decades of wisdom. I set a goal to read, listen, and learn every day, keeping a journal of key takeaways to apply in my business. Knowledge compounds. Each new insight multiplies the value of what you already know. You don't need expensive programs. Just pick one area you want to improve and spend 30 minutes a day learning. Make learning a non-negotiable part of your routine. In a fast-changing world, the moment you stop learning, you start falling behind. Habit 4. Take calculated risks. Successful entrepreneurs aren't reckless, they're masters of risk management. They seek opportunities where the upside outweighs the downside. My fear of failure kept me stuck for years. The breakthrough came when I analyzed risks like a millionaire. What's the worst-case scenario? Is it survivable? What's the best case? My first big risk was investing in a course that changed my business. The act of betting on myself expanded my comfort zone and opened new doors. Fortune favors the bold, but not the reckless. Do your homework, understand the downside, and look for asymmetric opportunities. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Start with small risks and build up your confidence. Habit 5. Give before you get. Most people approach business with a "what's in it for me" mindset. Millionaires focus on service, providing value with no immediate expectation of return. I used to focus on what I could get: followers, sales, attention. It didn't work. The shift came when I focused on giving, creating helpful content, free guides and tutorials to genuinely help others. When you give first, trust and authority grow. Your audience shares your work, and opportunities come naturally. And networking, help others before asking for anything. In content, over-deliver. In client work, exceed expectations. A giving mindset creates abundance and transforms your business into a vehicle for impact. And, ironically, greater profit. There you have it. 5 habits for a millionaire mindset. Think long-term, protect your energy, invest in learning, take calculated risks and give before you get. These are practical principles you can start today. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick one habit that resonates most. Is it carving out time to learn, defining your vision, cutting out an energy drain? Drop your commitment in the comments. I read every one. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more weekly breakthroughs. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.